I'm Simon Mole and I am a poet. Today, you are going to be writing an 11-word poem in 11 minutes. Well, actually, probably quite a lot less than that. The first step is to note down some words and short sentences about the weather where you are today. So I'm looking out the window at mine and it is grey and cloudy. So I'm just going to note down grey and cloudy. It's not raining at the moment, but it looks like it's about to. So I might put nearly raining or really nearly raining, because I think that sounds good. Maybe I could add that the clouds are about to burst like balloons. It's nice to get a bit creative or descriptive when you can, but simple one word like cold is fine as well. You could add in something to do with your emotions. Maybe you're fed up with the cold. Who knows? It is your turn now to jot down some notes and phrases about the weather where you are. Pause the video to do that and then hit play when you're done. Nice one. Now you're going to share a few of your favourites with the group to create a collection or bank of those words and phrases about the weather where you are. Make sure there's a nice variety between them, some different styles, tone and length. If you're writing on your own, like I am, then you can skip this step. Otherwise, pause the video to create that bank of weather words and phrases and hit play when you're done. Right, the time has come. I am going to give you 11 minutes to write your 11-word weather poem. You can use anything from the word bank, even if you didn't suggest it to begin with. You can add new stuff if you've had a different idea. You can add connecting words, totally up to you. But your poem has to be structured like this. First line, one word. Second line, 2 words. Third line, 3 words. Fourth line, 4 words. Fifth line, back to 1 word again. So it's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay? Now, there's a lot of different ways you could approach that. You might just start stacking up words that you think sound nice together. Cold, wet, rainy. Cold, wet, rainy. Cold, wet, rainy. Unexpected, sun. Yeah, nice little flip at the end for you there, guys. Or maybe you want to make it sound a bit like one sentence. Really nearly raining. The clouds are ready to burst like balloons. Yeah. However you decide to go about it, make sure you do this in no longer than 11 minutes. I'm not going to time you, but you know, I can tell that you're trustworthy people. I'll leave that one up to you. So, right, your 11 letter. No, it's not letters, guys, is it? Word. Write your 11-word poem now. Pause the video to do that and hit play when you are done. Okay, amazing. Well done. In a moment, you are going to read your poem through. You're going to check that you're happy with it, see if there's any changes you want to make. Is the word count correct? Read it through aloud a few times. If you've worked with a partner, you could have a think about who might read which bit. Maybe there's some bits you could read together. And then it would be really nice if you could share some of the poems within the group. I would love to read yours too, so whack it up as a comment under the video, and I'm sure the Hertfordshire Libraries team would love to have a read too. Thanks so much for doing the video today. See ya! Hi, I'm trying to do this video, Nick. Thank you.